Welcome to our YouTube channel Coo-Kri Kitchen. Today's recipe is restaurant style French chicken. So let's check out the ingredients.
Before marinating, it is always good to strain the chicken as there might be excess of water. So here I am resting the chicken for 30 minutes. In a bowl, add 1.5 tbsp ginger garlic paste, 1 tsp pepper powder, 3/4 tsp salt, half tsp red food coloring, 1 tsp cornflour, 1 tsp maida, 1 egg and mix well. As you can see, all the ingredients are well combined. Now I am adding the strained chicken. Mix well and refrigerate for 1 hour. In a pan, add oil. Add the marinated chicken and fry until cooked. Fried chicken is ready, so let's prepare the sauce. In a separate pan, add 2 tbsp oil, chopped 8 green chillies, curry leaves, fry for 2 minutes, 1 cup curd, 1 tbsp red chilli powder, a pinch of salt. Mix well and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. 2 tbsp tomato sauce. Give it a good mix. Now add the fried chicken. Add 2 tbsp of water if required and mix well. And finally garnishing it with chopped spring onions. Hot and spicy French chicken is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more related videos.